Hey everyone, it's Brittany from Hubcaps.com. Today's video was made for all the residents of Twin Falls, Idaho, who are missing a hubcap, center cap, or wheel cover. You definitely came to the right spot. Hubcaps.com offers free shipping to any city in Idaho, and it only takes 3 business days for most hubcaps to be sent right to your door. Yes, you heard me right. So don't waste your time and energy searching through local junkyards, tire shops, or even local hubcap stores who will only sell you a dirty, used, broken hubcap. Just click on the link that I have provided you with right here. It will take you directly to our website where you can then find the hubcap that you're missing. If you have any questions, concerns, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Hubcaps.com has been in business for over 34 years. We specialize in hubcaps, so if you're looking for a replacement, we most likely have what you're looking for. Now let's take a close look at one of our factory original hubcaps. As we take a close look, please keep in mind that all of our hubcaps are fully restored. As you can see, both front and back of this hubcap are in excellent condition. You would expect nothing less. We take pride in the quality of hubcaps we have to send out to you. We have an online sales department waiting to assist you by answering your questions and helping you to securely place your order online. Our warehouse has a top-of-the-line restoration department, ensuring your hubcap comes out looking like brand new every time. Depending on where you live and what you have ordered and whether the item is ready to be shipped or not, it will usually take 4 to 5 business days after the order is placed, possibly even sooner.